Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a list of 15 super useful cool gadgets that you won't want to miss out on. Whether you're organizing, working, or just want to make life a bit easier, these gadgets have you covered. And the best part? You can find all of these in the description below. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. This gooey gel is perfect for getting all those crumbs, dust, and debris out of tight spaces in your car. Just press it in, lift it out, and watch as it traps every bit of dirt. Perfect for keeping your car looking spotless. Next is the Shiatsu foot massager. Imagine coming home after a long day and treating yourself to a relaxing foot massage. With heat and kneading functions, this compact massager is like having a personal spa at home. Total relaxation at your fingertips.
I love this product. So, first of all, when I first got it, I just noticed the actual product itself. It's so durable. It is so well made. I feel like this is going to last a really long time. So I like that. Super easy to use. So if you have someone that has a hard time trying to figure out like electronics or how stuff works, turns on, this is super easy. There's a power button. It just plugs into the wall. So I like to use it sitting on my chair, sitting on the recliner. You can lift your legs up and just put it right underneath your legs, which is nice. Or I use it in my office too, so when I'm working. So the power button turns it on and obviously turns it off. Then there's a button right above it that is a circle button. Let's turn it off here and I'll kind of get a little closer so you can see. So the power button turns it on and off. Circle button will change direction of the massages. So if you have it going this way, you press that button, it will turn around and go the other way. Next button, adjust the speed. There are different speed levels, 3 of them, so fast, medium, and slow. And then this is a heater, so it turns on and it warms up. Amazing, I love it. So like I said, I use it when I'm at work, in my office, so I can just have it on underneath my desk. And I'm going to turn on the heat. So I have it on low, and I'm going to turn it a little bit faster, and I'm going to go the other way. So if I put it on the ground here, I can massage the bottom of my feet, and it feels so good. Another thing I can do is I can lift it up, and I can rest it on my chair, and I can have it massaging my calves, which I love. It feels so good. So it helps with circulation. I like that. It helps with circulation to the feet. I know a lot of people have some foot issues. This helps with blood flow getting to your feet, helps with relaxation. I love having this on even when I'm just sitting and watching TV. It feels so good. So easy to use, and you can't hear it at all. Like, it makes such little noise. So if you are, with your spouse, they're in the room, they're not going to hear it. They're not going to notice it. It is so quiet. So I love this. I love it for myself. I would buy one of these for gifts. Like I could give another one to my husband, my parents, they would love it too. So this product is just fantastic. Has so many different uses, really high quality. I would highly recommend it.
For those who love to organize, check out the Phomemo D30 label maker. This pocket-sized label maker connects to your phone, allowing you to print labels for everything in seconds. It's perfect for keeping everything neat and labeled. Want to avoid messy splatters in the microwave? The Tovolo microwave splatter cover is a game changer. Simply place it over your food, and it'll keep those pesky splatters contained, keeping your microwave clean. For coffee lovers, meet the Mr. Coffee Mug Warmer. This compact warmer keeps your drink hot for hours, so you can enjoy your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature anytime. Need a light while working in dark spaces? The LED flashlight gloves have you covered. Just put them on and the built-in LED lights guide you exactly where you need to go. Perfect for nighttime repairs or outdoor adventures. Always losing your phone charger in the car? The SUPERONE retractable car charger is your solution. With a retractable design, it keeps cords tangle-free and easily accessible. Ever wanted to see the world up close? The Carson MicroMini Pocket Microscope gives you up to 20x magnification, all in a pocket-sized device. It's ideal for exploring and examining things in fine detail. Have you dropped a screw or nail in a hard-to-reach place? The RAK magnetic pickup tool makes retrieval easy with its strong magnet and extendable arm. Perfect for any toolkit. If you love taking notes but hate wasting paper, the Rocketbook Core Reusable Notebook is a fantastic choice. Write, scan, and erase so you can reuse it time and time again. Next, we have nesting grill baskets. These make grilling small items a breeze. Just place your veggies or fish in, close it up, and grill away without anything falling through the grates. Need to inspect small spaces? The Anykit USB C Endoscope connects to your phone for a real-time view, making it perfect for car repairs, plumbing, and more. For a fun yet practical gadget, meet OTOTO's Red the Crab Utensil Rest. This adorable crab holds your kitchen tools, keeping your counters clean and adding a little personality to your kitchen. Struggling to get that last bit out of the jar? The JOTOTO Splatypus jar spatula is designed to reach every corner, helping you use every last drop of your favorite spreads. And finally, we have the Runstar Smart Scale. This sleek scale measures not just your weight, but also provides insights into your body composition. It syncs with your phone, making tracking your progress easier than ever. And there you have it, 15 must-have gadgets that make life a little easier, more organized, and way more fun. Check out the links in the description to get any of these gadgets today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more cool gadget finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.